kamusta or kumusta. That is how are you. It also means hi, hello, or how are you. So, kumusta or kamusta. Like in English, you can also say hello or hi. Hi or hello. Kamusta ka? That means how are you? Kamusta ka? Kamusta ka mo or kumusta ka mo? So that means how are you? Like it refers to many people. So plural, kamusta ka mo or kumusta ka mo? Ano ang balita? So what's the news or what's up? Ano ang balita? Okay ka lang? Are you okay? Okay ka lang? So instead of saying hi, hello, or how are you, or kumusta or kamusta, you can also say maayong adlaw, which means good day. Maayong adlaw. Maayong aga is good morning. Maayong aga. Maayong udto is good noon. Maayong udto. Maayong hapon is good afternoon. Maayong hapon. Maayong gabi is good evening. So you can also say maayong gabi.